Aim. The aim is to study the voltage to current converters. Introduction. A voltage to current converter, also known as a V to I converter, is an electronic circuit that takes current as the input and produces voltage as the output. Well, for instrumentation circuits, when creating an analog representation of certain physical quantities like weight, pressure, motion, etc., DC current is preferred. This is because DC current signals will be constant throughout the circuit in series from the source to the load. The current sensing instruments also have the advantage of less noise. So sometimes it is essential to create current which is corresponding or proportional to a definite voltage. For this purpose, voltage to current converters, also known as V to I converters, are used. It can simply change the carrier of electrical data from voltage to current. Voltage to current converter using operational amplifier. An operational amplifier is implemented to simply convert the voltage signal to corresponding current signal. The operational amplifier used for this purpose is IC-LM741. This operational amplifier is designed to hold the precise amount of current by applying the voltage which is essential to sustain the current throughout the circuit. They are of two types that are explained in detail below. Floating load voltage to current converter. As the name indicates, the load resistor is floating in this converter circuit. This is the resistor RL. It's not linked to the ground. The voltage Vin, which is the input voltage, is given to the non-inverting input terminal. The inverting input terminal is driven by the feedback voltage, which is across the RL resistor. This feedback voltage is determined by the load current and it is series with the Vd, which is the input difference voltage. So this circuit is also known as current series negative feedback amplifier. And the figure 1 shows the floating load voltage to current converters circuit diagram. For the input load, the voltage equation is Vin is equal to difference voltage plus feedback voltage. Since A is very large, difference voltage becomes 0. So Vin will be equal to Vf. Since the input to the operational amplifier, Ib will be 0. Vn is equal to load current into resistance R. Then the RMS value of the load current will be IL into Vn divided by R. From the above equation, it is clear that the load current depends on the input voltage and the input resistance. That is, the load current, which is the input voltage, the load current is controlled by the resistor R. Here, the proportionality constant is 1 by R. So, this converter circuit is also known as transconductance amplifier. Other name of this circuit is voltage controlled current source. The type of load may be resistive, capacitive or non-linear load. The type of load has no role in the above equation. When the load connected is capacitor, then it will get charged or discharged at a steady rate. Due to this reason, the converter circuit is used for the production of sawtooth and triangular waveforms. Ground low voltage to current converter. This V to I converter is also known as Holland current converter. Here, one end of the load is always grounded. For this circuit analysis, we have to first determine the voltage Vin and the relationship of the connection between the input voltage and the load current can be achieved. The figure 2 shows the ground load voltage to current converters circuit diagram. For that, we apply Kirchhoff's current law at the node V1. I1 plus I2 is equal to IL. V1 Vin minus V1 by R plus V0 minus V1 by R is equal to IL. Vin plus V0 minus 2V1 is equal to IL into R. V1 is equal to Vin plus V0 minus IL divided by 2. For an inverting amplifier, gain is A is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. Here, the resistor RF is equal to R is equal to R1. So, A is equal to 1 plus R by R is equal to 2. Hence, the voltage in the output will be V0 is equal to 2V1 is equal to Vin plus V0 is minus IL into R. 0 is equal to Vin minus IL into R. Vin is equal to IL into R. IL is equal to Vin divided by R. Thus, we can conclude from the above equation that the current IL is related to the voltage Vin and the resistor R. Applications of voltage to current converter. Xenon diode tester, low AC and DC voltmeters, testing LED, testing diodes. Procedure. Step 1. Connect the components as mentioned. Connect 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 5 to 7, 6 to 8. Step 2. Click on check button to check the connections. If connected connections are wrong, make the right connection as per given instruction. Step 3. If connections are right, click on the start button to perform the experiment. Step 4. Toggle on or off button to control the power to the system. Step 5. Move the voltage range slider to fetch values into table. Step 6. Click on plot button to plot the graph. Simulation of voltage to current converter and the circuit of the V to I converter is presented here, and an input voltmeter and an output ammeter is given to measure the values. To measure the values, connect the positive terminal of the input voltmeter to the inverting input terminal and the negative terminal to the ground, and connect the positive terminal of the ammeter and to the output terminal and the negative terminal to the ground. Now click check connections to check if the connections are right. If the connections are right, you can click start. Now power on and vary the voltage value and take measurements. The measurements are taken. Now click plot. Now this is the graphical representation of the output of V to I converter, and the x-axis shows the voltage V measurements and the y-axis shows the current measurements.